Hi, it's Todd and Candace with PCC. We're here to do this month's giveaway for the raffle that we do whenever we do a straight to the point video. This month it was on the Wall IE, which is essentially a router, a firewall, that type of device. And the question was, what are the three things that it's capable of doing? And NAT, which is NAT, NAPT, which is port translation, and then bridging were the three answers. And actually everyone got these right, and I even saw one say firewall, which is another answer actually. So, so with that, I guess we're giving away this great golf set, which is a set of golf balls, a shirt, a towel, and a divot remover. All PCC branded, by the way. So let me throw in my random number generator here. 23.
Number 23 is Anthony from Quad.
Okay, Anthony, we'll contact you on this. Thank you all for participating in our Straight to the Point video series. Look for another one coming up here soon.
Thanks.
Thanks.